Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany Mills and thanks for tuning in. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair. No, I do not do it often, but when I'm doing some type of protective style like braids, locks, or anything like that, I do like to go ahead and kind of blow dry it straight to help me be able to move faster, part faster, and things like that. Because when my hair is really, thick and coarse on the roots, it takes me longer to part and, and braid. So I like to have it straight enough to, again, maneuver through my hair pretty quick. So again, I will be showing you guys all the products that I will be using, and I will also be linking them in the description below. So I'm going to be using a volumizer straightening brush. It's like a 3-in-1. It's a hair volumizer, blow dryer brush, and straightener all in one. It has like a 360 airflow and rotation. It also have like a oval design top, so you can hold it at the top so your hands won't get too hot. It also helps reduce frizz. It dries pretty fast also. I would say I don't like to blow dry my hair on completely wet hair. So I like to blow dry like on semi-wet hair, and it kind of dry as I'm doing it. I would spray, mist a little water to help lubricate my hair again. I use a little hair oil and also like a hair cream, like for a little protectant. Again, it's everything you need in one. It's a comb, hair dryer, straightening. And on my hair, I use the high setting. That is preferred with, thick, coarse, or texture hair. But when I do use the high heat, I go back and forth from air mode to high and back and forth that way. It do have 3 heating modes. So again, if you'd like to stay tuned and see how I blow dry my hair, stay tuned to the end of the video.
Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. Someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, 'cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it, somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions, to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it.
Y'all, I really love this blow drying brush. Like, it cuts my time in half. I really don't mind doing this every time I, get ready to do my hair in some type of braiding style. So now this is my go-to thing. And again, y'all, I forget how much hair I have, which is a lot. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.